Did you know that nearly half of Americans are worried about their financial future, especially with inflation and economic instability on the rise? And with a possible recession looming, how can you protect what you've worked so hard to build in retirement? Let me tell you about Sarah from Arizona. Sarah spent years working in healthcare, saving for her retirement. She built up a comfortable nest egg, $520,000 in her 401k. But when the stock market took a nosedive during the pandemic, she watched her savings shrink. Sarah knew she needed to do something to protect her retirement, but she didn't know where to start. It wasn't until Sarah heard about gold IRAs that things started to click. Gold, a timeless asset, has always held its value through economic uncertainty. And as we're seeing right now, with inflation hitting a 40-year high, more and more retirees are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their wealth. Just take a look at the news. The Federal Reserve has raised interest rates multiple times in an attempt to control inflation, and it's not clear when things will calm down. Stock markets are more volatile than ever. And President Trump has even spoken about how the economy's instability could affect your savings. Yet, despite these concerns, many retirees still have their wealth tied up in traditional retirement accounts that are vulnerable to these risks. That's where a gold IRA comes in. By rolling part of your savings into gold, you protect your nest egg against the eroding effects of inflation and the unpredictable stock market. Gold has outperformed stocks in many instances during economic downturns, which is why so many people like Sarah are making the switch. And it's not just about the money, it's about the peace of mind. Sarah realized that by transferring just 40% of her 401k into a gold IRA, she could preserve her wealth and give her family the future she dreamed of. No more worrying about market crashes, no more uncertainty. Now, Sarah isn't alone in making this decision. Thousands of retirees across the country are already protecting their wealth with gold IRAs. And the best part? You don't have to do this alone. I'm offering a free gold IRA guide with no obligation to help you understand exactly how this works. If you're like Sarah and want to protect your wealth for yourself and the generations to come, click the link below. You'll get a free, no pressure, one-on-one consultation with me to see if this strategy is right for you. No gimmicks, no free silver, just honest education. Don't leave your retirement to chance. Protect what you've worked hard for. Take action today and start building a more secure future.